So what exactly is the reason and purpose for Pal Buddhist School Vesak Uposatha Day? Most Buddhists would know Vesak Day is a special day in May where the Buddha, on the full moon of May, the Buddha was born. So most people celebrate that day as the Buddha's birthday. Also, as a special being, he passed away on the same full moon of May. Not necessarily the same day, but the same full moon. And further note, as a special being, he found his enlightenment, completely destroyed all his defilements on the full moon of May. So Vesak Day is that special day of moon. In fact, the month of May in the Buddhist calendar is called Vesak. And Uposatha, the meaning of Uposatha, the Buddha introduced the term, and he defined Uposatha for his discipline as a special day where one come to reflect, to look inside one's mind and aspire to achieve the cleansing of the defilements in the mind. It was absolutely a very joyful day. It was a day for me personally. My heart was gladdened because I witnessed the different groups of different schools of Buddhism, whether it's Mahayana, Theravada, Vajrayana, or Triratna, and a few other schools of different work. We all came together that day, not as Buddhists, but rather as students of the Buddha, aspiring to actually cleanse our mind. We came as a unit, as a harmonious community. That was a wonderful initiation by all the venerables, all the monks and nuns out there. And I'd like to thank them for their great inspiration and motivation to come and build a harmonious community together. So that's, in a nutshell, why I'm so proud of the first day that we had, the Uposatha, the Vesak Uposatha at Pal Buddhist School, Leppington new site. And I hope that is the beginning. I mean, I'm not hope, I can see that is the beginning of many more Vesak Uposatha to come in the future, where many more communities, whether they're Buddhists or whether they're non-Buddhists. And I'm quite sure there were many other people there who were non-Buddhists, who were there to actually just partake in the reflection of their mind, to see what we do in order to actually clean our own defilements, to develop our virtues. And I hope that many parents and guests who were there on the day were inspired by the upright moral conduct of all our students and our staff and our parents. So if you haven't, if you were not there on the day, I hope you enjoy this short video, which will show you the highlight of our celebration and our journey to actually clean our defilements. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, honoured guests, venerables, members of the school board. Welcome to all of you on this cold morning. Today we commemorate Vesak.
Standing up to have your feet washed. We've got a few seats left.
And also my respect to all the community leaders and the generous benefactors. You have been and still is the inspiration of leadership to our students. And lastly, to the parents who've been working very hard, the students as well, and the staff of Pal Buddhist School. They say that it takes a village to raise one child. That we come together like the great rivers into the ocean and have one taste, we can build a model school right here on this land. Thank you.